Hello John, I thought you just might be interested in the new milling machine that's arrived back in July. Got a fourth axis with it. I've had to make another aluminium tabletop because I'll tell you about that one day. It's just the vertical axis wouldn't reach right down because I raised the whole thing. Another story. And it's got a table of 800 by 400 and it has a movement of 600 by 400 with a 450 stroke in the Z axis. It's got a 12 tool changer on it, and I've also fitted some LED lights up under the spindle. Don't know whether you can see that in the square pattern up there. Makes a huge difference. These are some of the BT40 tool holders that I've made for the milling machine. These are just blanks at the moment. That one there, I'm going to put the little gear cutter on the end of it. That one's got a adjustable boring head on it. That one's going to take this little cutter, and it's just a spare at the moment. These have just come, I made them, or you'll see on that other video clip, but I made them on the lathe and just finished the grooves slots here off on the milling machine. But the finish on them is unbelievable straight off the lathe. It's absolutely brilliant, and I glued them into the spindle, and the taper was absolutely perfect. I couldn't believe my luck. Well, I'll show you another. You might remember a while ago that little motorbike race engine, I plasticined the top of the piston into the head, gave it all the clearances and everything that I wanted, sent it off to a company in Australia, and they made these two pistons for me. Man, they've made a nice job with them. So that's my next project now, is to put that motor back together and get it going. Pretty neat, eh?